Okay, so now we have a chartreuse jig head, and we're going to use black. And we're going to put some of that um, highlight stuff, the flambeau shiny stuff. We're going to put about 3. Yeah, let's make it 4. And what this stuff looks a lot like is like the scales on the side of a fish. And one thing that you want to be careful about is you don't want to make your uh, lure or bait um, bigger than your fish, because you'll end up with your fish being afraid of it. Get the salt off of there. It's a fresh black squirrel tail. I had went at my old house and was gonna get a bunch of cat squirrel tails that I had been saving, but somebody has stolen them. So, on the way home, laying in the middle of the road, yes, it's the South, okay? It's the South. We are Southerners. Country boy can't survive. Come on. Was this little fella who had given his all. Well, you know what? We're going to go with it. It slipped off the back of that stupid thing, too. I'm going to start cutting these things off. They're aggravating as heck. Okay. You know what? Let's put a contrast. I'll tell you what, dubbing. That's what we're going to do. Dubbing. Build it up behind the head here a little bit. 8 minutes left on the camera overhead. chartreuse. Now, that dubbing kind of sticks out everywhere, and it's going to be kind of fluffy, for sure. That kind of gives you a little bit of an idea how it looks. And you can see the little highlight up in the tail there. Now, you definitely could take and do some red and have a little piece of red thread hanging out through there for an extra attractant, but I think that's a pretty cool one. So, all right. There's another one. So, if you enjoy this kind of content, I would ask that you would like and subscribe. And if you don't, I would ask that you subscribe anyway, because you're going to find something you like. Electronics, archery, knives, fly tying, and I may get back into rod building too. You name it, machining, rod, just a little bit of everything. I like everything. Air guns. I'm going to do some stuff on air guns. So anyway, I appreciate you and enjoy spending time with you. And I will see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.